Alright, so I didn't take a video how to remove this one because I don't even know. But after I did it, it's on like clips. So you gotta go behind and do it. So making the video like half done already. I took him out just to wrap this little piece. It's not like very good. As you can see, it's right there. I just want to have an idea if I like it on white after I put it in. If I do, I will wait for this one will peel out or whatever. Then I will do paint if I like it. If I don't, I just take the wrap out and I'm done. So I just want to show the video that this one is only attached with the clips only. So you gotta make sure you gotta go under and look for the clips and attach it and pull it out. That's all. You maybe need to pull this one too, just to get it right here in the corner. So that's another video I have. That's that piece. It goes right here in the bottom. And like I say, I didn't make the video at the beginning because I don't even know how to start or where to go. So it was like wasting a lot of time. I spent maybe like 20-30 minutes trying to figure out how to remove it. I was trying to remove the whole thing, but it's not necessary. It's only clips. All right. Yeah, that's the pieces of wrapping. I get the little roll for like $20 on Amazon. This is a perfect match. I mean, almost perfect right now because it's in the garage. But I will take a video how it looks when it's on. Okay, that part is done. This one is clips as well. Clips, clips, clips. I don't know if I can do this with one hand because I'm holding the phone while I'm putting this. So I don't know, this one goes in there. Push, push, push a little bit. Oh shit. Supposed to be this one first and this one second, I think. Cause look this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take this one out and I'm gonna put this. Okay, I put that one first. Same thing, just clip. Now, so this one goes in. Make sure it goes inside. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Now let's put this one back. Same thing with this. Done. I haven't looked at it like a far away, but so far right now, I think I will love it. Let's put this. put the car out. Oh, another thing I wanted to show is I got this one on eBay. Yes, my truck is not a TRD, but I got the wheels TRD. Mine is a regular Tundra SR5, and the grill is just a normal grill, not like the TRD grill. I found this one on eBay for like $8. So I was planning to maybe put it around here and see how that looks. I put the link down below.